Power plant, general information. Objectives. After completing this section, you will get familiar with general information regarding the engine. General information regarding the engine. The DA40NG airplane has an Austro Engine E4A engine installed. The Austro Engine E4A engine is a liquid-cooled, 4-cylinder, 4-stroke diesel cycle engine with wet sump lubrication. It has an inline construction, common rail direct injection, a propeller speed reducing gear with a 1 to 1.69 ratio, a digital engine control with an integrated propeller governor, and a turbocharger with an intercooler. The engine is liquid-cooled. It means that liquid is used as a coolant to dissipate excess heat from the engine's cylinders and to keep the engine within its optimum operating temperature. The coolant is a mixture of distilled water and antifreeze. The engine has the usual wet sump lubrication system. It means that the bottom part of the engine crankcase is used as an integral oil reservoir. Pistons are lubricated by oil, which is pumped into the various bearings. Then, the oil is drained back to the sump, under gravity. The engine has 4 cylinders and an inline configuration. It means that the engine has only one bank of cylinders that drive a common crankshaft. The engine uses common rail direct injection. It means that all fuel injectors are supplied by a common fuel rail. The common fuel rail acts as a pressure accumulator. The common rail supplies fuel injectors with high-pressure fuel. The pressure inside the rail is generated by a high-pressure pump, but the fuel injectors, controlled by an electronic control unit, ECU, control the injection timing and amount of fuel injected into each individual cylinder. This leads to improved combustion efficiency. The engine drives the propeller through a speed-reducing gear with a 1 to 1.69 ratio to reduce the output RPM from the higher input RPM of the engine. It allows the operation of the propeller within an efficient speed range. This is very important, as propeller tip speed must be kept below the speed of sound to prevent propeller efficiency from decreasing. The engine has a full authority digital engine control system, FADEC, that controls the fuel system, propeller, and turbocharger. The FADEC system consists of 2 engine control units, ECU-A and ECU-B, located under the pilot's seat, in addition to their accessories. Sensors are located on the engine to measure the engine parameters for the FADEC system. The system components are connected via an electrical harness. The engine has an integral propeller governor. The propeller governor is responsible for adjusting the propeller pitch hydraulically. It also controls the propeller pitch automatically with the help of the ECU to control the propeller revolutions and airspeed. The engine has a turbocharger system with an intercooler. The system is controlled by FADEC and increases efficiency and power output. The turbocharger remedies the problem of reduced engine power at higher altitudes. It ensures that the mixture remains rich in oxygen regardless of altitude. The intercooler cools down hot air before it is fed to the engine. With the Garmin G1000 installed on the airplane, all important indications regarding engine parameters can be found on the LCD panels, either on the primary flight display panel, PFD, or the multifunction display panel, MFD. More detailed information on the Garmin G1000 can be found in the avionics lesson of the CBT. Please refer to that chapter to learn more. Engine displacement is defined as the total swept volume of the pistons inside the cylinders of an engine. It is determined by multiplying the stroke length with the engine cylinder bore area and the number of cylinders. The Austro Engine E4A Has a displacement of 1,991 cubic centimeters. The Austro engine E4A has a maximum power of 123.5 kilowatts, 165.6 din horsepower, at 2,300 rpm at sea level, and under international standard atmosphere conditions. The maximum continuous power of this engine is 114 kilowatts, 152.8 din horsepower, at 2,100 rpm at sea level, and under ISA conditions. The engine can only be started when the engine master is switched on. The ECU continues to receive power from the battery, even if the engine master is switched off. The engine master switch is located on the lower left side of the instrument panel. Summary. With this section, you got familiar with general information regarding the engine.